It's a small place, man. It's not big. Like this lady said, like they like it when it's like that.
I can't get over, can't get over you. Oh, tainted love.
So pretty much like I'm traveling just for food and I'm craving Malaysian food. I love Malaysia so much, and I even booked my next ticket and I'm going to go back to Malaysia, Asia. So I'm going to touch down in Bangkok and I'm going to fly to Malaysia and I'm going to go to the Philippines and Taiwan. Yeah man, it's going to be an adventure, but all this trip is going to start in September. So pretty much I'm very excited. I'm going to try some Malaysian food in London. I want to see what it tastes like and the price tag. Oh man, I can't wait for this, man.
Y'all get live, get down. Common sense is in your town. I stagger in the gathering, possessed by.
Basically, I feel like I got no energy, and indeed, man, I got no energy because I haven't eaten nothing yet. But I can't wait, man. I can't wait to try Malaysian food in London. So it better be good, man. It better be good, man. Yeah, that's right. I'm here. This is the place. I see Roti King. Let me get closer. Crossing the street, man. The queue, I can tell, man. The queue. Look how many people are waiting. Look at that. There's quite a lot of people. Let me show you. See Roti King. So they're closing the next 1 hour time. It's packed. I can't see in there, but look at that, man. So there's a Malaysian food there. It's quite famous, so I got a bit of a wait. Just have to wait, man. Let me just come this way. Oh, it's not that bad. I can still wait, man. It's fine. There's not a lot of people. I thought the queue go all the way deep down, but no. I want to see your reaction. Say not bad at all. Presentation wise, not bad, not bad. Look at the cucumber there, the egg. Ooh la la! Look at the chicken, man. The chicken they look crispy. Oh, look at it. Look at the rice. The rice. Coconut there. Oh la la la. I can't wait, man. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, so I think it's about time. You know what? I'm waiting for my roti and then so I can munch that. Oh yeah, thank you so much, mate. It's my water there. It's about time. I look at everyone is just enjoying. It's a small place, man. It's not big. Like this lady said, like they like it when it's like that. I think it's about time for me now. Oh, right. The time has come. Okay. Pretty much. Oh, I did. Oh yeah, thank you so much. I wrote some cheese.
That's the roti cheese, yeah.
Oh. Is that yours, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I'm gonna try the Nasi Lemar or Kendrick Lamar.
I do think they put the
Alright, let's go for it. I'm gonna try it with the cucumber and then with the sauce as well. Oh fuck it. It's so small, man. It's so hard, so difficult. Anyway. Not bad at all. £7 in London. I'm really impressed, man. It's not the biggest portion in the world, but I am okay with it. But yeah, I'm gonna grab the chicken with my hand. Yeah, because I can't eat out pork in line. I've got some chicken and steak. It's mad crispy, it's a bit loud here, so you can't hear me proper. Anyway, so let me try
Yeah, I know.
Top quality chicken, man. Crispy, tender. Oh yeah, not super oily. And I like that. I like that a lot, man. And then the egg. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, get the rice, the coconut rice as well. Okay. Let's taste that. Let's try it. My God. What can I say? What can I say? For the first time trying it in London, wow, it's really good. All good old memories are coming back to me. Very much like Malaysia. I'm just thinking about that place, man. So she's from Malaysia. And then you're from Spain. Italy, oh fuck me. You're from Italy. Oh. Italy, Spain. Alright, that's it. What about in Spain?
Canary Islands.
Oh, is that place hot, isn't it? Yeah, I know about that place. So look at that. Look at you, go for it, go for it. Oh yeah, I bet she's enjoying that. Yeah. So pretty much, man, I am very, very pleased. So, yeah, all the things will cost me around £11 or something like that. Maybe £11 to £15. I think, because that my roti is on the way, it's coming as well. Oh, let me try this quick. It's the roti. Dip it into the sauce. Yeah. Dip it right in there, man. Try that. I like the texture of it. Great texture. Not too hard to swallow. Yeah, it's not dry as well. It's just perfect. It's not dry, not super wet. It's just nice, very nice. So when you dip it right in there as well, let's keep dipping. Hell yeah.
Over the global, my vocals be traveling around.
I think that was good. Yeah, it was really good though, I'm not gonna lie. I think it blew my mind away. I'm super full. Yeah, just about what I thought. All in total, the roti and the Nasi Lemar, it cost me around £12.30. Not bad at all. Not bad. See, that's it.
This line is babbling, grammatics that are masculine. I grab them in, verbally badgering. No LP, raps I make up like blacks do excuses. I feel like Noah, hooking my melons up on uses. If a broad ain't got a mind, a job, a crib, she useless. Acoustic bass lines embrace.